cyberbullying in social media. But I was told by Denzel Joshua when I told by this person, like I said before, when you made for example, fake account on Facebook, which is not really the true name or true identity, for Sangkay Janjan, he has to stop, alright? Because I know it's really bullying other people, and what you realize, it is not really true, and it is not Mang Rodelio Daguman, it is not Mrs. Annie Gill. Oh, what if David Gill and Robin Daguman, if they see that picture or in Facebook profile, which is not really them, that is a scapegoat. That is cyberbullying. Oh, Sangkay Janjan, ha. This is why Roylan Marlang criticized against you, that you are making fake account on Facebook to other people who were anti-Marcos. Just let them be. Let's respect those people who have their own opinion, who have their own freedom of expression. Sangkay Janjan, ha. I know you're the one who bully Banat Bay, oh, even the Duterte supporters who were anti-Marcos, they have their own freedom of expression, they have their own opinion. No, bully them. I know this is my fault when I made the fake account of Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Even Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Gio Malana, even that husband of Teacher Kel, who's that? Eskel Penumbra, that was her boyfriend. I know I made lots of mistake. This is my fault. Oh, you should realize your fault, Sangkay. Oh, you should never be happen. I know I apologize to Luis Cabales. I'm the one who made fake account of his account. Oh, even who else? Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. I'm the one who made fake account of Arnel Guerrera Castillo. I know. I know that is bullying. Oh, if I want to see this evidence for what you did to Mang Rodelio Daguman, who's the real Facebook account? Mang Rodelio Daguman is very working hard in the city hall. He's working hard to help his mom, to give her an oxygen. Her mother, Lola Lilia Daguman, she was in the heaven. I said condolence to him last year in October. Last month of October, I sent him a condolence. Last 2 months. But here's the one thing, Sangkay, ha? You have to respect those people who have their own opinion. Let's say, if people there are anti-Marcos, they have their own freedom of expression. They have a freedom of speech. They have their own opinion. If Filipinos there are pro-Duterte, they have their own opinion. Like I said, me, for what I did to Wawel Romero, I apologize to Wawel Romero. Like I said, when I made fake account, sino ba ang tunay ng account ni Wawel? When I was told by Felix Sabines, even Kanguso super fan page, that was from Felix Sabines. Who's the real account? I know this is my fault when I attack Wawel, when I apologize to Wawel Romero, the friend of Jordan Pilapil. I will never make fake account of Wawel. Oh, because I know her big sister said it. That's not Wawel. Oh, I'm her big sister. Oh, I know I apologize, Wawel, sincerely. Oh, I could not be happen to David Gill. Oh, and you know, Sangkay, Jan, I know I criticize your, I know I accuse your, I'm trying to accusing against you, Sangkay. I accuse your what you're doing, that fake account on Facebook, of your making dummy accounts to troll those people who were anti-Marcos. That is a cyberbullying. That is a libel. Oh, it's not really good. Like me, when I made fake account of Teacher Vincent and Teacher Gio Malana, this is all my fault. Oh, even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, this is my fault too. I was being explained by Sir Calvin Cuevas. They said to me, who is the real Facebook account of Teacher Jessa? Oh, it was me. I'm the one who made this, and I know I apologize to Sir Calvin Cuevas. I sincerely I apologize to his wife. Oh, and then I told by Sir Calvin Cuevas, I understand what you're doing. Oh, you need to stop making fake account. Oh, if my wife is an anti-Marcos, you have to respect her own opinion. Oh, this is the really happen. Just like I say to you, Sangkay, Jan, you will reflect yourself. You will reflect your attitude. Since without Kiko Barsaga, you know, this is your fault. Do not compare just like me, ha. Sangkay Jan. Just like I warning you, oh, Denzel Joshua was warning you, Jerick Silva is warning you. When I talk to them in Messenger, when I talk to Denzel, or when I talk to Jerick Silva in TikTok Live, or Messenger and TikTok Live, you need to stop. Oh, that's why, you know, like me, Sangkay Jan, when I made fake account of Larry Chuanico, when I attacked the church of David Gill, I've been summoned by Mr. Dennis Gill. That was his father of David Gill. Even his wife, Mrs. Annie Gill, and his brother, Gerard Gill. I was being summoned in barangay, and I attend the hearing of Kapitana Salonga. When I say before, oh, this is all my fault that I made fake account of Larry Chuanico, that I attacked the church, and I promote terrorism like ISIS. Oh, who's the fault anyway? Me. Oh, like you, Sangkay Jan, you need to stop attacking anyone. I am begging you, I am urging to the YouTube Google, take down all the YouTube of Sangkay Jan. Even his content creator, even his Facebook page. I urge the Meta to ban Sangkay Jan in Facebook for making fake account on Facebook. It is right to make fake account on Facebook. Oh. That's why Kapitana Salonga was right. Sangkay Jan must prohibited in all of social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and etc.